Hi, Rosie.
Hello, Alfred.
How are you feeling today?
Much better than yesterday.
Are you ready to practice English?
Yes, I am. Let's start.
How did you get here?
I took the bus.
Do you always take the bus?
No, sometimes I come walking.
How far do you live from here?
Not very far, just a 10-minute walk.
Are you British?
No, I'm not. I'm American.
Do you speak English?
Yes, it's my native language.
What's your name?
My name is Tina Vanderlag.
What's your last name again?
It's Vanderlag.
Could you please repeat that?
Yes, of course, Vanderlag.
Good to meet you.
Pleased to meet you too.
How was your day?
Really good.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am.
Where in America are you from?
I'm from San Diego, California.
Is it a big city?
Yes, it's fairly big.
Were you born there?
Yes, I was.
Do you live there?
Yes, I do.
How old are you?
I'm 22.
What do you do?
I'm an engineer.
Do you work from home?
No, I work in an office as well as outdoors.
Where do you live now?
I live in Mumbai, India.
How long have you been living there?
I've been living here for 5 years.